Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper through online. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first, what you need to do is that you have to move on mobile phone, okay, and you have to install this Fit Pro. Just move on this Fit Pro. After you have been moved on it, just move on setting. Then here you have to click on this smartwatch setting. After you have been move on smart, no, not this one, you have to move on this app setting. When you move on this, where is that, this my profile or app setting only, and move on this display. When you move on display, here you are going to find the theme option. Just click on theme, okay, and click on OK. When you click on OK, here you see, just click on this watch option. When you move on it, from here you are going to find the many online wallpapers, okay. You can set the wallpapers from here, okay. There are many wallpapers that you will be able to set from here. See, because nowadays it's the World Cup days, so that's why the World Cup option, the World Cup wallpaper also came. If you want to set, you can set it. Suppose I select this one, it is downloading right now. Here too you will be able to see, okay, the applying option. See, it has been downloading, okay. So you can set the wallpaper like this. Wait for a minute when it will be successfully set. Now it's 25:26. It's fast only, you can wait it, okay. You can set the wallpaper through online. This is the online wallpaper, okay. You have to on the net, then only you will be able to set the wallpaper. If you don't turn on the net, you will not be able to set the wallpaper. You can set the wallpaper like this, okay. So just wait for a moment. It's 90, 92. So see, 100 already, and here the wallpaper has been set successfully. You can set it the wallpaper like this, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.